So how to make passive income in 2023, and what is one of the best ways that you can make passive income in 2023 right now and going forward. So as you can see, first of all, here on my screen, right, this is my Instagram, and you can reach out later to me for any questions you have regards to passive income and how to make and or earn money online. But now let's jump straight into what is the number one way of making passive income online in 2023. First of all, here you can see some of the crazy results that are possible if you take online passive income really serious. So what is this? As you can see, this is a new method which is called the amplification method, right? So it's basically promoting other people's product for high commissions, which is also called affiliate marketing. Now, why would affiliate marketing be one of the best ways to make passive income in 2023? First of all, is because there is no huge inventory, right? You don't have to start with a huge investment capital to be able to get results as a newbie, especially if you never heard of affiliate marketing, if you never heard what does it mean to promote other people's product for huge commissions, right? As you can see over here, we have done for you campaign. So basically that would be Facebook ads or Google ads or YouTube ads, right? This is the campaign. The second step would be having a blog or a mini website. Now you don't have to be a blogger, right? So don't worry, you don't have to be a blogger. You just have to have a landing page, basically a mini website with some content rich content, right, where you have content over on the website, and then sending people to the basically the vendors products. In case, let's say I'm promoting weight loss supplements on ClickBank or MaxWeb, right, whatever affiliate network I'm using for free, right, I'm basically promoting other people's product. Let's call it weight loss in this case, weight loss or fitness products, right? So I don't own any products, I'm just promoting them, right? I'm just pushing them online for huge affiliate commissions, right? So this is simple 3 steps. Now, another thing over here with affiliate marketing is that these campaigns are the best place to start if you're a newbie. Why? Because they're all intent based. You see, you will be basically showing your ads to people who are watching basically those videos, for example, right now on YouTube, or if they are on Google, right, who type in the keywords related to what they're trying to buy. So for example, if someone is looking to lose weight or get rid of belly fat, they type in how to get rid of my belly fat before summer, and what's going to happen, my friend, if you're watching this video, is this. Listen carefully. The ad that you just put on the Google or YouTube is going to appear in front of the audience's eyes in the same moment when they went to the laptop and typed in how to get rid of my back pain, how to lose more weight, right, in this case. So you see why does it make a lot of sense to start affiliate marketing, because you're basically just placing ads or placing an adverts in front of the people who are actually looking to buy the stuff that you're promoting, right? So you are not promoting to Windows shoppers, the people who are only watching or they don't even want to buy products, right? You're promoting products to people who are already looking to buy the product that you are about to sell or promote online, right? And the best thing is you don't have to show your face. You don't have to be on the video. You just have a mini website promoting these offers, running ads to the page. So another very important thing is that you can make money on the back end. Now, what is the back end? Example, let me give you a simple example. If someone bought the ClickBank supplement for weight loss, right, and then a week later they decide they want to buy a mentorship on coaching on $5,000 products or $10,000 product on weight loss, you're not getting 50% commissions, right? So you can make 5,000 or 3,000 euros or dollars extra on the same customer in a week later. So it's all about understanding, right, the concept of promoting other people's product for high commission. It's all it is, right? Keep it very simple, right? Nothing complicated. It's all about having the right certain system, and certainly believe that if you have the clarity and simple system designed to get you results and success online, then of course you can duplicate the same results over and over again. So that's why it's very important to understand that passive income with affiliate marketing, it's really possible. Let me show you one of the examples of the pages for life insurance, promoting CPA products like, for example, MaxWeb and other platforms like ClickBank. So as you can see over here, how soon are you looking to apply for a no obligation life insurance? Now you don't have to promote life insurance. I'm just showing you, right? There are many ways. There's also car insurance, there is weight loss products, there is personal development, self-help, right? Every single niche you can imagine. Now you see, people will choose as soon as possible, maybe I'm not interested right now, or within a few weeks or few months. Depending on what they choose, they will be redirected to another page where they can join the program, where they can buy insurance or buy weight loss supplements, right? Whatever you're promoting. So whatever niche you're in, doesn't matter. It's all about having repeatable, fundamental system that is helping you to get results, right? Now, what is the best way, right? The best way to do affiliate marketing, as you can see, we also follow up with email marketing on the back end. It means that when you're promoting the product, maybe someone says, no, I don't want to buy it today, not right now, right? Not at this moment, not yet. So what you will do, or I can do for you basically, right? When we work together one-on-one personally, is I help you in the back end to have the email system. So email follow-up sequence, right? Imagine this, someone goes on your website, they don't buy right now, but maybe because your system, your automated system, right, autopilot, sending them 24/7 emails, maybe 4 times per week they get email from you, and on day 3 or day 2, for example, touch point 2, they decide, okay, what the heck, I'm going to buy this product, right? Okay, now it makes sense, right? And those emails are powerful. Why? Because they're specifically designed for your prospects to become a client or to become a customer. You see, we are getting from the customer base to the client base over here, A to B, right? So that's how it works. It's a repeatable process, right? Rinse and repeat. Now, another thing over here is, okay, this is all the results that are possible when you do affiliate marketing really, really well. Now, another thing is, what I want to tell you is this. If you're watching this video, if you really want to get results with affiliate marketing, promoting other people's product without showing your name, your face, your voice, whatever, right? Just running ads, placing ads, or using free traffic, social media traffic, we can do the both, right? We can do both. Now, you do need to have some money to start with. Minimum at least $600 all the way to $3,000 US. If $5,000 to $20,000 per month online as an affiliate. If you really want to stop procrastinating, stop not taking action right now as you're watching this video, then you will begin to quickly realize that, heck, I need to have someone to help me along the way, one-on-one, step by step, to guide me through, to basically show me by the ropes how it's done, right? So, and this is really important if you want to make passive income online. You need to have someone to help you along the way, and you need to have a system that's going to help you and enable you to get success online, especially with affiliate marketing. For example, using YouTube ads or Google ads, Google pay-per-click in this case. So again, thank you for watching this video. All the links to connect with me are below this video. You can reach me out on Facebook, WhatsApp, email, on Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. So as you're watching this video right now, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get more helpful tips on how to make passive income online with affiliate marketing in 2023.